Hello students of class 10, come back today with a new chapter of trigonometry, that is ratios of complementary angle. I hope in class 10 all of you know what is the meaning of complementary angle. When sum of any two angles is equal to 90 degree, then each angle is called complement to other angle. Clear? Example, 45 degree and 45 degree. If we add 90 is coming, then 45 and 45 both are complement to each other. Similarly 30 degree, 60 degree, these are complementary angles. Now in trigonometry, in general way, we are considering let A and B be two complementary angles. Let A and B be two angles, and if they are sum, first writing the name, ratios, name of the chapter, ratios of complementary angles. Suppose A and B are two acute angles. Now if their sum is 90 degree, then each angle A, that means A and B, both is complement to other angle. Now there are some formula. We have to use that. One is sine 90 degree minus A equals to cos A. Similarly, cos 90 degree minus A equals to sine A. This is one formula. Another is sec 90 degree minus A equals to cosec A, or cosec 90 degree minus A equals to sec A. And third one is tan 90 degree minus A is cot A, and cot 90 degree minus A is tan A. Clear? We have to use this formula in problems. Clear? Now, first I will be explaining the MCQ part so that you will understand the problems properly. Clear? From MCQ part I am starting. It is given that find the value of this. Okay. So the sum is this: sine 43 degree cos 47 degree plus cos 43 degree into sine 47 degree. Clear? Now what will be my first step? First I will add the angles. I will see whether 90 is coming or not. Then I can apply the rules of complementary angles. So 43 and 47, after adding 90 is coming. So yes, they are complementary angles. Now what I will do? I can apply the formula. One thing, here 43 and 47 both are there. So together, don't change both the angles. Either you convert 43 in terms of 47 or 47 in terms of 43. Here I am changing 43 in terms of 47. So 43 means what? From here see, you can write 43 means 90 minus 47. Clear? So I am writing 90 degree minus 47 degree. And this one as it is, copying. Similarly, here also changing 43. 43 means 90 minus 47. So cos 90 degree minus 47 degree into this one as it is. Copy as it is. Sine 47 degree. Now I have written the formula. Sine 90 minus theta means cos theta. So instead of this I can write cos 47 degree. There is another cos 47 plus cos 90 minus theta means Sine theta. Here theta means this angle 47. Clear? Now see, cos 47 into cos 47 means cos square 47. Sine into sine multiplying sine square 47. Now you know the formula, cos square a plus sine square a equals to 1. Clear? So your option is B. Correct option is B. So here you have noticed I have converted one angle in terms of other, but together don't. Here suppose you are converting 43 in terms of 47 and 47 in terms of 43, same together, then what will happen? Same question you will get. Clear? So either you will choose, either you will convert this in terms of other or this in terms of other. Here I have converted 43 in terms of 47. You will practice by that, you will convert 47 in terms of 43 and you will see what answer or result is coming. Same you will get. Clear? In this way we have to do. Second one. This is most important chapter in trigonometry, complementary angle. Number 2, find the value of this. Tan 35 degree by cot 55 degree plus cot 78 degree by tan 12 degree. Here also, first I check whether these are complementary angles or not. 35 and 55, 90, and 78 and 12, yes, 90. So they are complementary angles. Now here I have told you either you will convert this in terms of that or this in terms of that. Now I am converting this. Okay, tan 35 degree by cot 55. 55 means what you can write? 90 minus 35. Clear? 90 degree minus 35 degree plus cot 78 keeping as it is. Now 12. 12 means we can write 90 minus 78. Clear? So 90, I am cleaning this part. 12 means 90 degree minus 78 degree. Now I will apply the formula. Cot 90 minus theta means tan theta. This is the formula. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Now numerator and denominator same. So it is coming 1 plus 1, 2. What is the option? C. Your correct option is C. Clear? So I hope you understand that only one angle you will convert in terms of other, not together that both the angles you will convert in terms of other. Clear? And that you will choose which angle you will convert. Now number 3 is important. Find the value of this. Now you have understood that these are the sums from complementary angle. So we can apply the rule. Now this and this, if you add, you see this plus this 90 will come. So what I will do, I will convert any of the angles. So this one I am keeping as it is, minus sine theta. Now I am applying the formula. Sine theta means we can write cos 90 minus theta equals to sine theta. Clear? This is the formula. So here what I am doing, in place of sine, you consider this as theta. In place of sign, I am writing cos 90 minus theta. Theta means 50 minus theta. Here, so here cos 40 degree plus theta minus cos, open the bracket, 90 minus 50 plus theta. So cos 40 degree plus theta minus 90 minus 50, 40 degree plus theta. Now you see, same cos 40 plus theta minus cos 40 plus theta, cancel out. So 0. Yes, option, this option is given C. Clear? So in this way we will do. Now next one you will get in next video.